So in this video we will talk about how we can send our mail from our Python language directly from our CMD. So I created my notebook and here it is my CMD. So there are some commands by we can set our messages and we can send our as a mail to someone other email IDs. For that I have to first connect with our Python. So now my Python is our start. So here, first we have to set our username and password. It should be same as our Gmail. So I'm just trying to copying and paste it, and we have to set our into our variable. Similarly, with our password, I will change this password. Otherwise, some people will try to access my email. So now this library is very important to set our messages. And as we can see in our Gmail accounts, whenever we get some mail, we have some known as from to subject date and time also we can set, but for now I'm not doing that. So we have to set first our subject to from, and here it is our body. So we have to set in our CMD. So we can say set underscore content, it is using for our to set our body, and it is our to, for which I have to send to the other user, and it is our from, it will be our username for their Gmail account, and it will be our subject. So let's first let import this library. So now first we have to initialize, it is a type of class actually. So we have to write our message, we have to initialize our class email message. So now I can just copy it and paste it in my terminal or CMD. We have to initialize this. After that, to use this command to send our message to someone emails, for that make sure that in your Gmail, so we have to enable this option, let's secure apps. For that we have to just write left let's secure apps, and it will directly give you a link to enable it or to disable it. So now for that, uh, to use your Gmail account from your CMD with the help of Python, so you have to enable it. I already enable it. So now we can import our smtplib. Now we have to write initialize our class. It is sm, because our class is, so we cannot change our object. So now we have to initialize our class smtplib. I am going to copy it. So now you have to connect your Gmail account to your Python. So for that we are using our smtp.gmail.com. So for that we have a port number 587, and to log in another types of websites, you have different type of arguments. I mean different type of ports and different type of SMTP arguments. So we have to copy it. Now we have to initialize all these commands. These two commands are used to uh, it is used to find the server. It is used to that start the Gmail server, and it is used our login, in which we are going to pass our Gmail username and our password, which I have already given. I will change this password, so please do not try to get into it, access it. So I'm going to copy it. simple. We have to paste it. Now, as we can see, hello command already works. SLTS start TLS means it is ready to start, and username it is accepted. And now we have to just send our message, which is already we made. We are checking our not message, we are checking our code. Okay, that's fine now. So now you have to just press enter. As you can see, we have sent our mail to this ID. So we have to now open it. Now Gmail. Now we have to disable it. Sign out. Now we are going to check that message is sent or not. Now you can see I got my mail over here. Now you can see my subject is here, my to, from, all it is here. So what I will do is I in my next videos I will try to make a UI for that. I mean I will make a front end with the help of Flask. So for that please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.